Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out here, little farm pond. Oh my god, my drag is so loose. That we have permission to fish. And I'm gonna frog this corner because it looks so juicy right now. I'm out here with the I wasn't even looking, dude. 10 pounds of freaking weeds, dude. Oh my god, it's such a freaking small fish, dude. Oh my god, look at the frog. I destroyed the crap out of the frog. That frog's toast. Look at that bass.
Dude, that thing wanted it so bad.
This
you weren't even looking.
No, I wasn't. This frog's frick, dude.
Is it done?
It's done.
Yeah, you weren't even looking.
No.
There's probably another 20 right here.
Yeah, that's what you get when your braid launches into itself. Go grab your rods, dude.
I don't have a frog on it.
Yeah, tell me that frog's not fricked. You can borrow one of your frogs? Your little eating frog? Second frogfish of the year.
First cast. I saw his weight come for it.
Got one.
2 casts, 2 fish.
Alright, 2 casts, 2 fish. Another Squeaky McGee guy.
Another half pounder. Dude, that was so funny.
That was so cool. Hey, go grab your rod.
I don't have a frog on it.
Topwater chatterbait.
No.
Here. Cast right in front of that block.
I'm casting in here, dude.
Oh, okay. Cast close to the shore, yeah. There you go.
Oh,
God, just get out
dude,
your
your thing came off.
Really? What the hell? There you go. Oh, pause it. Dude, that was quick. He lost it in the slop, dude. I saw him circle back around. I want to get smacked in the face with a freaking frog right now. Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, that's so freaking cool! Dude, right.
Did you get that on video?
I got it, dude. That was so freaking cool. You got it right there too. Oh my god, that was freaking hilarious. The best frog fishing video ever. Do you want to grab my phone and like zoom in on it so we can get like a good blow up on it?
Here, I got mine. I'll just do mine.
Alright.
Dude, I knew it. Oh my god.
I told you, this frog rod is awesome, huh?
Yeah. Is it a frog rod?
Yeah. I mean, it's extra heavy.
That was so sick.
That's so cool. Alright, just zoom in on the frog whenever I cast. You zoomed on it?
Yep. Oh my god. That was probably the same fish that
100%, dude.
mine, dude. This is 4 fish in 4 casts.
Dude, oh my gosh.
What even is this? I gotta do that again.
Dude, that was hilarious. Dude, they are stacked in this weeds. Dude, this frog's broken to crap. Yeah. Yeah, he just slurped it up, dude. Nice little bass. Oh no, buddy. Sorry. Dude, there's a dead crappie.
Crappie?
Yeah, right there.
That's good.
That's alright. Is your drag like locked? You're gonna get smoked. Just don't hit me in the face. That's a big one. Or that's a bigger. Is it bigger?
Yeah. It's like a 3.
Dude, that's freaking sick. Oh my god, yeah, that's a bigger one. Damn, that thing's chunk, dude.
It's so black.
That's a chunkosaurus, bro. That thing's so fat. On the eat me frog. You know, he wanted to eat that frog. Dude, that's so freaking cool. Look at that fish.
It's so black, dude.
It's like a Florida stream bass almost.
Yeah.
Like it looks like it. This is making one laugh around this pond.
Did you see it wake on it?
I did. Dude, there's like 5 pounders in here though.
Yeah.
I mean, there was one. Could be at the bottom, huh? Oh, oh, oh. Wake, wake.
Oh, that's a good one.
That is another decent one, dude. Dude, these are so fat other than last year. Oh my god. That thing's pure meat. That was the coolest crap, dude. He waked on it. I'm like, oh, oh, oh. Slurps.
Oh, I just had like a 1 pounder.
Nice leg. That's a 2 and change, dude. That's like 2, almost 3 pounds. It's so small though. Gonna have to give him a little. Oh my god, there's bed. There's a bed right there.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a cleared out spot.
Is there a fish on it?
No. There's just a bed right there though.
That is a bed.
Alright, let's keep walking, dude. Dude, this frog. Look at this frog. The mouth of it's torn.
I'm not gonna set a hook in this one.
Oh my god. I could launch a fish from that far. Cool guy. Oh, oh! He had it right there, dude. Where's those big fish? Oh, oh. Here's one.
Is that a good one?
I think it's a... No, I don't think it's that big. It's decent though. I mean, no, it's tiny. Look at the mouth thing out here. You see all... Oh, doubles up on the frogs. Doubles up on the frogs.
Are you recording?
Yeah. You see all these little scratches on the fish though? It's from the pelicans, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine's not.
Look at that, double ups though.
I don't know.
Double up on the freaking frogs. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Double ups on the frogs. Yes.
Head first.
Gonna have to toss them a little bit. This pond's fun.
Yeah. Right there.
Hook some of you guys on top of the bank. Like a tiny guy. Dude,
Oh.
he's fat though. Yeah, this frog's demolished. Alright, so I just tied on a punching rig to punch all these weeds that we just fished. Oh, what the hell is it? Oh, it's a bass. Caught one punching. I don't know, it was like acting weird. It's acting really weird. I don't know. There's one fish punching the weeds. Crappie? What the? That was a bass. Dude, I missed that fish. I'm like, what the hell is it? It was a bass.
Of course it's a bass.
No, I know, but like, I like missed it really weird. I don't know, it was all weird. I didn't think it was anything.
Oh, there's a dead bullfrog.
Where?
Right there.
Is it big?
Yeah. It's like crispy.
Oh. In the same spot, dude. Oh my god, there's so many freaking fish here. Oh my god, dude, look at this bass though. Look at it. His gill got pulled, but it's not like, it's perfectly fine.
They got cow.
Oh god, that's cool.
They didn't have
But like, he's fine. That wasn't for me. That was like a while. That was like an old injury though. Yo, grab a soft. Are you coming over here?
What?
Never mind.
No, I'm just moving it.
Oh yeah, shit, dude. There's so many fish in these weeds.
I got it. That's a good one. I got you recording. This is how you catch a fish in 2 seconds.
Oh really?
And then I gotta post that.
Tag me in it.
Yeah, I will.
Oh my gosh, so many fish, dude. Got one.
Told you by that thing.
Oh,
No.
on the outside of the mouth. Look at that.
Weird. Is this still good?
Yeah. No, try to do it on the other side of that one.
Bro. Oh my.
Oh, what the hell? What was he doing with his life?
Fucking turn back around.
Flip right there. I was gonna say in the grass, but you got one.
That's funny.
Uh,
I'm gonna do that again. Don't hurt him.
nice.
Maybe it's time to change the plastic.
Never.